Let's check and see if a limit exists for this given function. The part of the function that I'm interested in is as x tends to -1. Now you need to know that if I give you an absolute value as part of your function, you need to split the absolute value into the part where the absolute value is greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0. So let's do that first. So the function that's been given over here actually is going to be x plus 1 all over x plus 1 for x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. In other words, for when x is greater than or equal to -1. But it's going to be minus x minus 1 all over the denominator for the x values that were less than 0 for the absolute value. In other words, when x is less than -1. I don't actually look as though I'm going to have to even try and work out my limits, because if I now take this expression and I simplify each part of the split function, in the first part I would have had 1 for the x values that are greater than or equal to -1. And for the second part, if I took out a highest common factor of -1 and cancelled my common factors, I would have got -1 for the x values that are less than -1. So you can see that from the left or from the right, this function is definitely not tending to the same height. It tends to a height of -1 from the left, and it tends to a height of 1 from the right. So here I do not have a limit. In other words, I have a jump discontinuity.